Pie for breakfast. The pie man. Good morning. It is Friday, 7th of August, and you join me and Paul up the Cairngorms, and we just found our camp spot for the night. We're going to be doing Ben Avon. Cycled in for the car park there, right, and we're about nearly an hour on the bikes. We're going to set up camp, leave all the heavy kit here, and then head up and do the Munro. See how we feel, maybe do the second one, see how the weather is. This is actually a plan B. Plan A was Ben Alder 4, but the weather was just too wet all day, and according to MWIS, not the best of the weather, the better of the weather had to be in the eastern Cairngorms, so that's why we're up here. So I'm going to get this tent pitched up, and then we're going to get on the road. Yeah, that's the tent set up, that's the pitch for the night. Got some new kit, I'll speak about that later on after we've done the hike, but that's us ready to go. Yeah, that's us back up where we left the bikes. That was a pain in the arse, that heather. We should have broke track down there, cycled along the path right to there, and I'm sure the path carries on and meets on with this track here. But we never decided to heather bash it, and we paid the price, didn't we, Mucker?
That's the hardest bit.
So we're back on the bikes for another bit. We'll see how far we can get with the bikes, and then we're going to start hiking. It is 10 o'clock, 10 bells, let's go, let's do this. This has made it to the ruins, just here. Had to navigate all this shit here with the bike. You couldn't cycle it, really tough, really steep, slabby rock, muddy. But we've made it this far. Paul assures me there's another dodgy bit, and then after that it's plain sailing. Hey, hopefully that's us out of the worst of that wee pushing bit, but apparently we'll benefit from pushing that through that bit.
Well, my heart rate is up at 169 beats a minute.
Right guys, excuse my chomping, but I'm having a well-deserved jelly snake. That's us dropped the bikes off. That was about 15k right into the heart of the Cairngorms we are, so just up there to the stake. Yeah, this has been walking for half an hour since we dropped the bikes off. Currently at the 800 metre mark. Strong wind, cold wind, but it's at our back, which is good. Yeah, it's pushing us along. Oh, better. Had a first look at the doors just coming and going in the clag. So basically on the summit plateau, just heading towards the summit. The weather's actually not too bad, it feels alright up here. The wind isn't as vicious as it was coming up that glen, but still windy though. Look at
Hey, you're telling that canny.
I bet it canny. I bet it canny. Now this is the summit of Ben Avon, 1,171 metres, and from the bike drop it took us an hour and 35 minutes. That's us fed Bhùird. We've found a wee shelter spot here, right? We'll just go to the other side of the tower. It sounds horrendous. The other side. Right into the wind, face first we need to go. But when you come to down here where we had our lunch, nice and quiet. So we're going to have to go and brave the elements. Get it done, let's go. This is down to Bhùird, 977 metres. We're going to head up to Munro. You're just getting buffered a bit in here. Oh-ho! This is 1,155 metres from Ben Avon, and that's the rain on. Blowing a hoolie still. So just going to soldier on to this summit. Okay guys, this is at the summit, Ben Bhùird, 1,197 metres. That took us 3 hours and 40 minutes, so just over 2 hours between the two summits. That's us back down at the bike drop. Total of 5 hours, 15 minutes on the hike. So back on the bikes, down to the camp spot, get the sweat kit off, out of the tent. It's still sort of misty rain, but with the wind up there it was driving right into your face, so it was good to get out of that. We're just going to get packed up here and get on. Aye, that was great, that was a fantastic cycle back, it was brilliant. Aye, I thought I'd have struggled on that, but it was all downhill. It was really good, enjoyed it. 2 Munros in the bag, so I'm going to get some admin done and then get dinner on. Oh aye. Oh aye.
See, that's the thing what I've no got.
Boil on the bag jobs?
One you gave me.
Well, I had one. There you go, it's not a bad wee pitch, yeah. Right, that's us in the tent. Might get back out later, just in for a wee rest. Greg these off. Back's a bit sore. Anyway, new kit that I've got. First of all, the tent, the Vango Radon 1, Ultralight 1. So far good, plenty of room in it. New quilt as well, Thermarest Chorus quilt. New mat, City Summit Ultralight, and the pillow is a X-Bed Ultralight pillow. And this, I'm using a wee hack here that I picked up, put a t-shirt or a tap over the top of your mat, your pillow in it. It stops it moving about. So far so good, it feels really comfortable, so, but only the night will tell what happens. Right, I've left our tents. I'll come out a wee walk to see if we can find the secret Bothy, the secret house. So I reckon by looking at it we're in the right area, but a bit of a trek to find it. I'll take these back once we're in. We just stumbled across this here. Yes, a bit tough to find if you've not got a clue where it is, but we had an idea. But there she is in all her glory.
It's yourself.
Alright mate, what's your napper? Right, let's have a look in here. Oh wow. Oh, it's cosy. This is cosy. Oh. This is quite smart actually. Yeah. Oh, that's at 5 to 9. I'm in the tent. Right, first impressions of the new kit. It's all good to know. That'll all come to light tomorrow morning. Let's see how good a sleep I get or what. Aye, the quilt. That's me finished with sleeping bags. I'm done. I can't sleep in them. They're too restrictive. I need that. Be able to move. And the quilt is the ideal thing. I've got there's plenty of room to move about, you know what I mean? They've got the tether on at the bottom, so it's sort of cinched on your mat. And the mat feels really comfy. I'm very surprised at the mat. It feels really comfy. But as I say, I'll report back tomorrow. Good morning. It is 5:30. Really comfortable night. If anything, I was too hot. Ended up taking my trousers off, roasting. But aye, the tent performed well, the mat, the pillow, and the quilt. What a point. Oh. Morning! All performed really well. But yeah, so I'm going to get a brew on, start slowly, get myself packed away, and let's get out of this place. Right, time is 6:10. Had a coffee, tents are away. My tent was there, just see the flat grass. Paul's tent, same detail, just the flat grass.
Cycle Munro, sausage.
Yeah, we're going to head down to Perth, into Beins and get a wee roll sausage and a brew. So, see you in a bit.
Yeah.
That's mental, innit? Right, that's us done and dusted. 26 minutes coming back on the bike there. What I'll do is I'll put the stats up for all the different stages, because I've done mountain bike, hike, mountain bike, so yeah, that's what I do. But cracking weekend, really quiet night. The wind, you can hear the wind up the top, but where we were camped it was really sheltered. And another 2 Munros in the bag, and a fantastic well camp. Can't ask for any more than that. It stayed dry, got a wee bit of rain coming down off the second Munro, wee spits here and there as we were going through the day, windy, but the MWIS forecast was on the money. They say it was supposed to be raining all day at Alder. It said here we will get some rain, but it'll be mostly dry, which was that's what happened. So anyway, I'm going to sign off here, guys. If you've managed to watch us this far, thank you so much for watching, and no doubt I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.